So yeah, some quick ego busters words to speak to people who you're in like a quarrel with is something like you're right, I was wrong, or like, I hear what you're saying, like, yeah, it was my mistake that I made a mistake, I spoke too fast, I moved too fast, good game, well played, or whatever, because I just played a game of chess and I just said something kind of funny and I was kind of wrong in a way. Um, then I made a silly misclick, and then he said, "Now it's game over," because I said game over. But I like to play me a bit like silly, but I want to promote peace. So if he felt like maybe like, this guy's being like silly chump, a silly guy, like being arrogant, not trying to be arrogant, just being silly and playful. So I said, no, you're right. He said you spoke too soon. I was like, yeah, I did. Yeah, you're right. I said, good luck. Thank you. Well played. Good game. And then he's like, you too. So then he asked me, like, so he asked me an inquisitive, open question symbolizing friendship. So I just want to say, like, our egos are very attached and identified and clinging to being right, and we're afraid to say we're wrong or we made a mistake. So, but you got to mean it. You can't be sarcastic and smart saying it with a bad energy, because then people pick up on it and they know you're just trying to shut them up. We have to mean it sincerely. So, like, it's okay to do that. It's perfectly fine. It's helpful, and just to choose to like quit arguments and stop wasting your energy on arguments, and instead go into the higher frequency of maybe debates or discussions, and potentially higher is where you're just emitting love and light, and it's not about being right or wrong, but it's about unifying and creating unity with love, compassion, and kindness. Yeah, that's really very powerful. That's where I'm at the moment, much more regularly. It's much more 5D instead of 3 and 4D. It's for the good of the whole. It's for co-creating high energies through transmitting higher energies of, being the peace and being the change, being the love, being the compassion, being the innocence, being the leader, being the authentic one, being the humble one, being the open to learning, and not trying to be like right or the best person or something like that. Letting go of the ego, being the higher frequency. And then you be a role model, and then you help others to emulate or copy or get a leaf out of your book so they can do it in their own unique, perfect, divine way also. It's worked wonders in my life, and you're obviously listening. If you're listening now, you're on this awakening path already, and you're very possibly, most likely, a leader and a way shower of your own right. So yeah, just lots of love to you. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you again another time. Befriend me on Facebook, give this video a share for other people, subscribe if you're new. Thanks to all the love and support and shares already. So do support the channel, collaborate. 2021 is the year of collaboration, so do get active in being spreading powerful messages and about frequency, energy, vibration, and consciousness, and to help enable and empower others to raise their frequency and heal and to let go and to power up big time. That's what it's all about, my friends. It's about collaboration, and that's the year. This is the year of 2021. I'll see you again next time, my friends. Lots of love.